And the second method is called set builder form. So roster form and set builder forms are the two methods by using which you can represent a set. So first I will show you how to represent a set in roster form. For example, A is the set of vowels in the English alphabet. So A is the set of vowels in the English alphabet. Now let us see how to write this set A in roster form. So first I will write it in capital letter A. So always a set is represented by a capital letter. So A is equal to, what are the vowels in English alphabet? A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. So this is how you represent a set in roster form. Now the one most important thing here is the order of elements is not important. So for example, I can write the same set as, so set A is equal to I, comma, U, comma, E, comma, O, comma, A. So this is also correct way of representing the set. So when you are writing the set, the order of elements of the set is not important. But we have to make sure that the elements don't repeat. If the elements are repeating, then you have to write that element only one time. So this is how you represent a set in roster form. Now let us take another example. B is the set of natural numbers less than 11. So if you see the statement, B is the set of natural numbers less than 11. So how to write this set in roster form? So we write B is equal to, set B is equal to 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, dash, 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 8, comma, 9, comma, 10. So this is how you write the set in roster form. So B is equal to 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 9, comma, 10. So this is how you represent the set in roster. Now I will show you how to represent a set in set builder form. For example, I take a set A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, 5. So A is a set containing the elements 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4 and 5. So what are these numbers 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, 4 and 5? These are the natural numbers less than or equal to 5. So I write this set as, in set builder form I write this set as A is equal to X such that, this is called such that symbol. X belongs to natural number and X less than or equal to 5. So set A is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number and X is, the value of X is less than or equal to 5. It cannot be more than 5. So this is how you represent a set in set builder form. Now let us take another example. Set B is equal to 2, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma, 8, comma, 10. So if you see this set B, it contains even numbers, even natural numbers which are less than 11. Even natural numbers which are less than 11. So now I write this set B set builder form as B is equal to X such that X is a even natural number and X is less than or equal to 10. X is less than or equal to 10. So if you see this set B, X says that X is a even natural number and X is less than or equal to 10. All the even natural numbers up to 10 belongs to the set B. So this is how you represent the set in set builder form. So I hope you like this video. share this video to your dear friends, and please post your comments to encourage us. Thank you for watching this video.